I'm gonna be getting all my recipes from viral TikTok food recipe videos.
Down, yeah.
What?
I've been feeling so down, yeah.
This is really good.
I'm down, yeah.
In you go.
No friends of mine, no friends of mine.
Hi guys. How are you doing? Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all the different kind of foods I eat throughout the day. To top it all off, I'm going to be getting all my recipes from viral TikTok food recipe videos. The ones that like I see at 3 in the morning and I'm just like, oh my god, I need to make this when I wake up the next day. Well, technically I never actually make them, but today we're going to. I know people are hesitant to try like new food recipes, and I'm pretty sure you've seen these videos on your For You page. So I'm gonna be doing you guys a favor and trying out these foods so you don't have to, unless they're good. It's currently 12:30. I woke up at like 11 and I got ready, and then I started writing down all of the ingredients that I'm gonna need to make these foods because I don't have everything at my house. Let's go to Pavilions or Ralph's. Probably gonna go to Pavilions, but let's go. Taking Haley's car today. Sorry, Haley. You've made it to Pavilions. Wiggle. Okay, I really need to find buffalo sauce, but I don't know where it is or what it even looks like, so. Oh, yes. We're back from the market. For breakfast, I decided to make the viral pancake cereal. I didn't want to go and make my own pancake cereal mix. That was going to take way too long, so I just got Aunt Jemima's like original pancake mix. Okay, M-E-F. I can eat. Someone get this crazy person away from me.
How many eggs?
Just one.
Just one egg.
Ooh, ready? Then we need to put it like in a Ziploc bag. This is so weird. What? Guys, flipping them is like really hard because like how are you exactly supposed to flip them? But I mean, they look really cute. Jax, what are we doing? Those are like perfect. Perfect. Yes, queen. Mine are so much fatter than yours.
Yes, little bit. Don't worry.
Ta-da! I'm gonna be cutting some strawberries. With strawberries. I'm excited and scared. They're not bad. I would give this a 6 out of 10 just because I like the way it tastes. It's just like a little soggy. You want to taste it? My mom says it looks like you'd be eating a sponge. It's not that bad. She doesn't like it. Pancake cereal, a bus.
Welcome back to my channel.
It's lunchtime. It's 3:30. I'm a little hungry. I'm not like super hungry just because I ate breakfast early, but this is not really a full-on like lunch meal. I found this video of this girl making kind of like a Mediterranean inspired, like a taco. I don't know. It just looked really good. Here are our ingredients. We have the tomatoes, the cucumbers, the onion, the white cheese, the like tortilla thingies. We have salt and pepper, and then olive oil. So the first thing that she's doing is heating up her tortillas. Okay.
Bubbly, balloon.
Gonna put some salt, some pepper, olive oil. So we have our little salad ready. The next step, the next thing that the girl does is she puts the hummus on her tortilla chips. She's putting it like right in the middle.
Delicious, so easy, so fresh.
Here is our little Mediterranean taco. It doesn't look that amazing. I mean, it kind of looks weird, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste good because this is exactly the kind of food that I eat throughout summer.
Crunchy.
It's really good. This is really good. I would 100% recommend this. It was literally so easy to make. It took us like 5 minutes and it's healthy. It's good. I think it's perfect. It's light. I would give this like a 9 out of 10. You want it?
Yes, of course.
Take a bite.
I wanna.
How do you like them?
This is my favorite.
Yeah. It's really good. Even Jax is like, give me! Give me! Sunny family approved.
Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you.
Yeah, never will I hurt you, so I like you, do you like me too? I be like shit, she could dance on a dick. Post her like a chair and I'm hoping that she gonna sit. It's all good, I be chillin' now. Got a big fucking booty, can you stick it out? Stick it out like.
Alright guys, it's time for dinner. It's currently 6:30 p.m. but by the time we finish cooking this, I'm assuming it's gonna be like 7 and I'll be hungry by then. So for dinner, we're gonna eat like these veggie fake buffalo wings. We're actually gonna be using cauliflower for this. We have obviously the cauliflower, which is gonna be like the buffalo wings. We have paprika, we have black pepper, we have garlic salt, we have a little celery. I bought buffalo wing sauce and barbecue sauce. We have some flour black here, and then finally we have milk.
Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you.
My mom is doing the honors of cutting. I'm not the amazing cook here.
She could dance on a dick, post her like a chair and I'm hoping that she gonna sit. It's all good, I be chillin' now.
Me and my buffalo wings.
And I'm hoping that she gonna sit. It's all good, I be
Why is there corn in there?
fucking booty, can you stick it?
I hope it tastes good because I'm putting a lot of effort into making this.
Away, never comes the day when I lose you.
I just put barbecue sauce all over the cauliflower, and now we're gonna put this back in the oven for 20 more minutes, and then we're gonna be done with it.
365, treat you good to the day that I die. Ain't stuck on a wing or the why. What the fuck is your side? Yeah.
Here it is. We have it. It's out. This is barbecue sauce, and I cut up some celery and I just put it on so it would look cuter and it also tastes better. And then we have some corn on the side, you know, if anyone wants to eat that. Taste test time.
Don't be scared.
To be honest, if you compare it to like actual buffalo wings, if you want like a vegan option or like a vegetarian option and you don't want to eat the meat, this would honestly be the perfect like dish for that. I like the taste, honestly, I do. I'd give this a 8 out of 10 just because the cooking process is a little bit longer. It's not like as quick as the rest of the recipes. I think it's good. Bon appetit. I'm hungry. I'm not hungry, I just want dessert. So we're gonna make myself some. I was scrolling through TikTok and I saw this like really easy looking mug cake recipe, so we're gonna try that out. Here are the ingredients. We have flour, sugar, vanilla extract, baking powder, cocoa powder, and I'm gonna be bougie and put in chocolate chips. Let's make this. Now I'm mixing this. All these ingredients, I don't know, like the measurements seem tad weird. We're microwaving for 1 minute and 45 seconds. In you go. We'll do that. Is it ready? Ooh, here's what it looks like. I poked some holes to see if it was cooked. I'm not too sure if it is. I don't know, it looks like it's not done, to be honest. I got some chocolate chips in this one, so hopefully this one will taste cuter. It just feels like kind of undercooked, or it's just dry, which in that case, I don't know how I would like fix that. I'll give this a solid 3 out of 10. It's supposed to be cake.
No, it's not cake. I don't know.
That was poorly mixed too. I changed my mind on the rating. Instead of giving it a 3 out of 10, I'm giving it a 1 out of 10 because, well, I mean, honestly, I can't really blame the recipe for this, but my mixing skills were not the best, so the last bite I took was straight up like oil and it was gross. But even if my mixing skills were a 10 out of 10, it wouldn't matter because the recipe was not, it just didn't work. It didn't cooperate with me. It just wasn't a cake. Don't do this. It's waste of time, waste of ingredients. It's not good. Just no. Well, there you have it. That's my what I eat in a day viral TikTok recipes edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, every recipe was amazing. I mean, no, that's a lie. Lunch and dinner were amazing. Breakfast and dessert, not so much. I mean, honestly, I think lunch was the best one. Then it goes dinner, then breakfast, and then dessert. Dessert was terrible. Dessert was horrible. Don't attempt doing that. It just, please don't. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.